Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the mystery signings player in FC Mobile. So this is the newest mystery signings. Welcome to mystery signings. In this, you can reveal player clues to pick mystery player rewards and accumulate progress in getting the milestone rewards. So in here, there are two players that I already uncovered, player A and B. In the player A here, we got make Allister. He got 90 OVR, and the position is the center back. And let's go back. The second one, or the player B, is Joel Ward, which also got a 90 OVR, but the position is right back. So you can choose, or you can unlock this one of these two players in 9 hours from now, from when I created this video. And you need to choose wisely. If you need a center back, you need to choose the Mac Allister, but if you need the right back position, you need to choose Word. Okay, so don't forget to unlock this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Enjoy the game.